When I reached my teenage years, I just hated going to the dentist because it hurt. So who wants to go to a place where it's always painful? So I never went to the dentist. I ended up getting cavities on the front teeth at one point in my early 20s. I just never went to the dentist and never really took care of my teeth the way I should have. I really, truly didn't want to smile because I didn't want people to see that I had bad teeth. Actually, because I had teeth missing in the back, my teeth started moving. I never wanted to smile because I didn't want people to judge me because I had bad teeth. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to go out. You don't want to talk to people when you're in pain. You just are embarrassed. You're always conscious about your mouth, and that's not easy to live with. You try to hold off as long as you can before you actually do something about what's causing the pain. It just got to be too much. It really did, and I knew I had to do something. Although I wanted it done, although I wanted to be able to smile again, I didn't want people to notice that my teeth were fake. I wish I would have gone to comprehensive dental sooner. I'm serious when I say when I walked in that door, I was ready to turn around and just not do it because I was so nervous, and I just noticed right off the bat how friendly everybody was, and I instantly felt comfortable when I walked in there. I did start crying when I looked in the mirror because now I actually had a great smile and I really felt that they looked natural. I have never, ever been happier in my life than I am now, because now I don't have to worry about smiling. I don't have to worry about what people think of me. And everybody's like, oh my gosh, your teeth look great. I'm like, yeah, they do, don't they?